don't know the girl Jera. Unfortunately, Sam is not here. You're supposed to know that because I told you guys in a previous video. Alright guys, so me and my classmate now, as you know, we are here together. Last, we are trying to find Wal-Mart our last guys. Literally, I run across the road. Don't try this at home, but we lost. And now we're currently all over the place trying to find the closest Walmart because we are starving. We haven't ate anything from morning. It's our first day in America. Janelle, how you feel?
Oh, you have to get me.
She don't want to be videoed, but I feel like we're in the right place. It's a turn right though.
This is the.
It's a right. It's a turn right.
Yeah, turn right. Okay, so.
Alright guys, it's a turn right.
Because this is a turn.
Guys, I swear, we have no idea where we're going. No idea. Oh, we're going down this road straight. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you our view. This is our view. But, as I said, we are taking it a step at a time. And I'm hoping that we actually find Walmart and we can get something to eat and some stuff put in the apartment that we just went into. And so far, you love it? You like it? You like it? You stressed out? The one I know where they. Yeah, alright, me take you to the park there. So guys, me take her out, but know so one friend there, but we don't have to know which friend. Oh, that's fine.
Not a problem.
Alright, so you like it?
Oh, there's Walmart. You see the sign?
No, I found camera on my glasses. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just because.
And a Jamaican, they come out of the road, pump on the sidewalk, and walk.
Guys, they can know say me come from Jamaica for chewing a cars. You know, see what me I do a while ago in the Jamaica.
There's a pharmacy there.
Oh, come now.
Plaza.
Yeah.
Come to Walmart first.
Alright, I'm going to go Wal-Mart first. I definitely need clarity. Definitely need clarity. I need sinus too, guys, because my sinus is turned. I know
Walmart is here.
Oh, here is Walmart. Well, Walmart look like it's closed. This don't look good, people. Walmart look like it's not Walmart. I'm gonna like that.
Alright, inside where we enter from.
Let's see. From right there, sir. Oh, we ask the man right there, sir.
Where's the man?
If
There's nobody here. Oh yes, Walmart.
Okay. Well, we found the grocery store. Exit. Bitch, you're not taking a That's fine. So let's go shopping in Walmart. Guys, let's see how much money we are actually going to spend, because when we convert the money in Jamaican, it's very, very expensive. We're gonna get stuff that is needed. For example, water, juice, snacks, which they look like it down that side here. Hi. Hello. Alright, so I'm going to ask for the direction that way we are going in the right way and not circling the entire place. Gift card. You're buying a gift card? Starbucks gift card.
$15.
Burger King gift card. These can be really nice gifts. You didn't fill out some of them ask if you want a gift card?
No, I don't.
Amazon and Shein mo put. Alright, so we have them of clothes. You really can go buy clothes in here. They're expensive though. $9 for. $17 for. Yes. People look at Walmart. Alright people, so I'm gonna go shopping and then I'll show you what's in my cart and how much I spent my first day in the US for food. Alright guys, see you later. Alright, so this is what I have so far in my cart. We're choosing some stuff. We're trying the ramen, like the different flavors, to see basically which one we would like, but I'll keep you posted. Where we're going now, another eye. Guys, I came from Wal-Mart. I cannot manage. And we're in the dark. This is not many things I get. I'm trying to head back to the apartment. Give me some time. Guys, I unpacked the bag. I forgot to tell you, but these are everything that I got here. So I got some mac and cheese, some this, bread, this, oil, and a few snacks. And then I bought everything in this row and an egg. So I bought everything in this row and an egg. These here are for the other lady that's here with me. And then I bought one of the sausage. I spent, I think it was $26 or $27 with some cents, or $26 with some cents. I think I spent for everything that I just showed you guys. I wanted to show you when I was unpacking it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to. So yes guys, and I had to walk with them in my hand, so it was very hectic, and it's a distance, trust me, a good distance, and I struggled a few times. My hands are sore, I'm very tired. As I said, we just arrived, first night here, so I'm going to bathe and clean up and then look after something, and I'll give you guys like a snippet of each of that. So yeah, stay tuned. Yes guys, I'm back, but be done because of the see I have an what is name? Wait, mom see me.
Look at this.
What?
No, this drill.
No dish what?
Drill. I
Oh, oh. Oh, for true.
You know what?
You know for it, blouse and skirt. I will not tell you where God never give you for trouble. Guys, we don't know how to use this. I will not struggle myself until we learn and figure it out. Stay right there, so. Stay right there, so guys. So think about this now. One day I know I'm hungry. When I eat nothing a pizza, so I'm gonna mash up some sausage, some macaroni, and some juice, and then tomorrow now we'll see if we get some rice and chicken and everything like that. Clearly we're not ready for this yet. I was like, oh, we can toast the bread. Yeah, tomorrow I'm with egg. We never see, okay? So we can toast the bread with egg and sausage too. So guys, stay tuned as we cook like a food. We are watch up the, oh, I forgot to tell somebody get plates, like a set of plates, different plates. So they just get a set because plate is here, but they don't know like when you have your own. So my friend here that is rooming with me, she got the gray set, and I don't know, I love the pink already, so I got the pink set. But my friend, she actually loves blue, but there was no power. So you think I have the whole light for? I like when people towel out, you know, I just feel like the dirt and go on it. I'm skeptical. So guys, that's even when I Jamaica, I dry plate, but guess what? Them not have no dish dryer. Like you know something where they are Jamaica? You been there? Yeah. And you show them down in and them wipe it out, we not have that. So hers, mine, and we're gonna put on the food. We're gonna try to figure out the stove now come.
But we get out the long sign, rear and front. That's what
students. Rear. Oh, easy now. We're not go. Blood. Sorry my language, guys. We're gonna come on first one and cheese cut. Unless you want to go with the toast bread and egg tonight.
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese?
In sissy salt, in some sprinkle some
in jerk, you may have jerk. Yeah, jerk can work in crazy. Guys, we don't have no salt. We say we're gonna do some cooking, you see? No. We're gonna do cooking, you see? There's prayer food, people. Prayer food, I tell you. But you can't be it. See, there are different clothes. I'm going to show you. Different clothes, see? Different clothes. And on the first day, guys, you know we have to go. You know, match it up, but guys,
By
you know.
next week we're good to go.
Yeah, by next week everything was stuck and we know where to. Guys, but I have to bring some seasoning. Watch ya. We couldn't leave Jamaica without them, yeah. Wanna say some all-purpose, some chicken seasoning and some jerk. What was say? People what would say? What would say? Can't lift that, yeah, man. Food not nice. So this turn on or it on? I can't touch it. Never pass me. Turn around look for me. So guys, I'm gonna boil up some water. I'm gonna do a thing. And you're gonna see what we're gonna eat. Cause right now we want to hurry up. You see me? When I'm gonna start, so we're gonna do a thing. Cause we need to go sleep and sign up for some something for tomorrow. So later, people, and I also eat. We'll see what I get. You see me? So guys, I just start eat. Cause I never remember no. This is the food. And I come out 3 bad. This may have to go well till tomorrow. Can get some chicken, rice, salt, and everything there. I'm a son, so when we don't eat, we're gonna go in the bed because we wake up early for go work. And that will be another video of day 2 in the life in America. You're gonna see what we'll be doing, what we'll be doing, and so on and so forth. But I have so many things planned. You know that Kevin isn't here, so it's been an emotional roller coaster, but let's not get into that because let's not get into that. But there is so much to come, and I hope you guys enjoy these content and stay tuned.